Hello, thanks for tuning in. This video was originally intended to be a marketing video for this lovely home in Heritage Creek Estates, a 55 plus community in Warwick Township. But since it sold on the very first day, I want to talk about something else. A lot of people are saying that the real estate market is tanking. While it's true that activity has slowed a bit, the real estate market, at least in Bucks County, is not crashing, as some people would have you believe. This home was just sold the same day it came on the market for over asking price, and there was more than one offer. I will be putting out a separate video soon explaining what is really happening in the Bucks County real estate market and why you should not be afraid to dive in. I hope you'll watch it. In the meantime, please enjoy this video of 809 Nathaniel Trail in Warwick Township. Thanks for watching.